PayPal. Ticker symbol is PYPL, and Square, ticker symbol SQ. Both have done amazingly well this year. This segment of the Financial Exchange is proudly presented in part by Better Values, BetterBanking.com, where you can learn about CU Senior Safeguard, a program built by credit unions to help combat elder financial abuse. Visit Better Values, BetterBanking.com, and click CU Senior Safeguard. We've talked about this a fair bit, Paul. I'd be interested to see where you land on this. One of the Shark Tank investors, whose last name I can't pronounce,
Robert
Herjavec. Yeah, like
I
I said,
Herjavec.
Says that we're about to see the biggest exodus from cities in the last 50 years. One, do you buy it? And then two, what do we need to be thinking about if it happens?
I buy it. We were having this conversation the other day, Barry and I. We've seen the southern Connecticut real estate market has gone through the roof as people are retreating away from the cities. In June, the New York City apartment market had its highest vacancy record of 3.6% in terms of vacancies for apartments, and then an 85% increase in listings in apartments. And I think we see it here in the Boston area as well. I've talked about this before on the show, but certainly a demand for these suburban houses and people sort of fleeing from the city. I agree with some of it's going to be a big shift, but I don't think it will be a long-term thing once this thing subsides.
I was just saying, have people never sat in traffic before? Do you remember that?
Yeah.
Remember how long it takes to get places when you live in the suburbs and have to commute? I mean, the big question to me is, do your jobs return back to the cities? If they do, then people are going to move back to the cities. If they don't, maybe it's permanent. And if it's permanent, the types of investments that we're going to need in internet, public transit, shopping centers, all these things are just going to change dramatically. It'd be fascinating to see.
Hey, Paul, good debut week, by the way.
Thank you so much, guys. I appreciate it.
Congratulations, Paul.
Anniversary. Had a blast. I'm tipping my cap.
See you in 2 months.
That is all the time we have for this week of the Financial Exchange, and as we have spoken, the markets have entered positive territory. Dow up nearly 1%.
The preceding program was a paid advertisement by the Financial Exchange and does not reflect the views or opinions of this station, its advertisers, or iHeartMedia.
Hi, this is Chuck Zahn, and I'm joined today by estate planning attorney Todd Lutsky from the law firm of Cushing & Dolan. With your Financial Exchange quick tip of the day, we're talking about how irrevocable trusts actually operate on a day-to-day basis. Todd, one of the questions that I see an awful lot, it takes 5 years to protect your assets from the cost of long-term care. It's not instantaneous when assets go into an irrevocable trust.
Right.
If you aren't sure that your spouse is going to make it 5 years before going into a nursing home, should you even bother to do your estate planning?
Well, the answer is absolutely yes. Why? Because I don't think any of us ever really know.